Looking for the best car vacuum cleaner to keep your vehicle spotless in 2026? Whether you're dealing with everyday dust, crumbs, pet hair, sand, or stubborn debris, the right car vacuum can make cleaning your car faster, easier, and more effective. In today's video, we've rounded up the top 5 best car vacuum cleaners of 2026 based on suction power, portability, battery life, attachments, ease of use, and overall value. Whether you need a compact cordless handheld vacuum for quick cleanups or a powerful model for deep interior detailing, we've got the perfect option for every budget and cleaning need. Be sure to watch until the end to discover which car vacuum earned the #1 spot on our list. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews. Check the product links in the description below to find the latest prices, discounts, and availability for all the car vacuum cleaners featured in this video. 5. IOFine V8 Plus. Looking for a powerful yet compact cleaning tool that can handle more than just vacuuming? The IOFine 4-in-1 cordless vacuum and air duster is designed to make cleaning faster, easier, and more versatile. Equipped with a high-speed 80,000 RPM brushless motor and an impressive 21,000 PA suction power, it effortlessly removes dust, dirt, pet hair, and debris from your car, home, office, and electronic devices. Beyond vacuuming, it also works as an air duster, inflator, and vacuum sealer, making it perfect for cleaning keyboards and PCs, inflating air mattresses or balloons, and compressing storage bags. With a 6,000 mAh rechargeable battery providing up to 40 minutes of runtime, fast USB-C charging, 3 adjustable power levels, a convenient battery display, and a compact design with a portable storage case, this all-in-one cleaning tool is ready for everyday use wherever you go. Watch our video to see why the IOFine 4-in-1 vacuum and air duster is one of the best portable cleaning gadgets you can buy on Amazon in 2026. Monozel VC026. Looking for a powerful and portable cleaning solution for your car and home? The Monozel newest handheld cordless vacuum is designed to deliver exceptional performance with its upgraded 130-watt brushless motor and impressive 18,000 P maximum suction power, making it easy to remove dust, crumbs, pet hair, and debris from car interiors, sofas, carpets, and hard-to-reach corners. This versatile 3-in-1 device also functions as an air duster and inflator, making it perfect for cleaning electronics, inflating swimming rings, balloons, and more. With a 7,800 mAh rechargeable battery, up to 32 minutes of runtime in eco mode, fast USB Type-C charging, washable HEPA filtration, built-in LED lighting, and a lightweight 1.4-pound design, it's an ideal companion for everyday cleaning. Watch our full YouTube review to see its real-world performance, features, pros and cons, and find out if the Monozel handheld cordless vacuum is the best portable vacuum cleaner for your needs in 2026. Check the Amazon product link in the description below for the latest price and offers. 3. Jixin Miyu HX606. Keep your car spotless with this powerful cordless handheld vacuum, designed to deliver up to 16,000 pH of brushless motor suction for deep and efficient cleaning. Whether you're tackling stubborn pet hair, embedded dirt, crumbs, or dust in hard-to-reach crevices, this compact vacuum makes every cleaning job quick and effortless. Its lightweight cordless design offers complete freedom of movement, making it perfect for cars, homes, offices, and travel. The included 7-in-1 cleaning kit features specialized attachments for vacuuming, brushing, and blowing, so you're ready for any cleaning task. A washable HEPA filtration system captures fine dust and allergens while remaining easy to clean and reuse for long-lasting performance. Powered by a high-capacity rechargeable battery, it provides 20 to 45 minutes of runtime on a single charge and supports convenient Type-C fast charging, while the built-in LED battery display keeps you informed of the remaining power. If you're looking for a versatile, portable, and high-performance cleaning solution, this handheld vacuum is an excellent choice for keeping your vehicle and home looking their best. 2. Dyson Car Boat Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. Looking for the ultimate handheld vacuum for your home, car, or pet cleanup? The Dyson Car Plus Boat Handheld Vacuum delivers powerful cordless performance in a compact, lightweight design. Featuring Dyson's most powerful handheld suction, it provides up to 50 minutes of fade-free runtime with 2 power modes to handle everything from quick touch-ups to deep cleaning. The mini motorized tool effectively removes embedded dirt, allergens, and stubborn pet hair from upholstery and fabric surfaces, while the combination tool and crevice tool make it easy to clean delicate surfaces and hard-to-reach spaces. Advanced whole machine filtration captures 99.99% of particles as small as zero point 0.3 microns, helping expel cleaner air back into your home. Built with premium durable materials and backed by a 2-year warranty, plus lifetime Dyson support, this handheld vacuum is an excellent choice for anyone seeking powerful, versatile, and reliable cleaning performance. Watch our YouTube review to see its features, real-world performance, and whether it's the right vacuum for your needs. Check the Amazon product link in the description below for the latest price and availability. 1. Black Decker 16-volt cordless lithium map. If you're looking for a powerful, lightweight, and convenient handheld vacuum, the Black Decker 16-volt max cordless hand vacuum is an excellent choice for both home and car cleaning. Its cordless, rechargeable design gives you the freedom to clean anywhere without being restricted by power cords, while the high-performance 16-volt max lithium-ion battery delivers strong suction to tackle dirt, dust, crumbs, and stubborn pet hair with ease. The rotating slim nozzle and pull-out crevice tool make it easy to reach tight spaces between couch cushions, stairs, shelves, and vehicle interiors, while the flip-up brush is perfect for delicate dusting tasks. Cyclonic action keeps debris away from the filter to maintain consistent suction, and the translucent bagless dirt bowl allows for quick, mess-free emptying and cleaning. Compact, lightweight, and easy to store, this versatile handheld vacuum is a reliable cleaning companion for busy households and anyone who wants to keep their car spotless. Check the product link in the description below to learn more and get the latest price. Thanks for watching our countdown of the top 5 best car vacuum cleaners 2026. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect vacuum to keep your car clean, fresh, and looking its best. Whether you need powerful suction for pet hair, a compact cordless design for quick cleanups, or a versatile vacuum packed with useful attachments, there's an option here for every budget and lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews and buying guides. We'd also love to hear from you. Which car vacuum cleaner is your favorite? Or which one are you planning to buy? Let us know in the comments below. You'll find the links to all the products featured in this video in the description below. If you purchase through those links, we may earn a small affiliate commission at no extra cost to you. Your support helps us continue creating honest reviews and bringing you the best product recommendations. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.